just want to, as you can see, I just want to explain how to wire a 30 amp socket. So this is a socket. So let me just want to explain how to do the connection. So this is a socket, as you can see. This is a socket. Then these are the parameters. This is where the live terminal will enter, where you see where the root L here, this terminal. So then this is where the neutral will enter, which is a neutral cable, which is usually black or blue. Then this is where the earth will enter. So let me unscrew it. This is the live. Yeah, this is a neutral, and this is where the earth will enter. So then, looking at these cables, this is a positive cable, the red cable. This is a positive cable. This red cable. So to enter where we have L here. So you will see once I'm doing the connection, then this N, this is neutral, this black cable is to enter where we have N. Then this yellow will enter where we have Earth. So let me show you how it is being done. So now I told us that L will enter where we have L here. So make sure it's entered very well. Then you now screw it gently. You screw it gently. See that that's tight very well. Yeah. Then the black, which is the neutral cable, is to enter where we have N here. We have N. And then tight very well. So screw it gently. So then this is a yellow cable, which is the earth. So to enter here, where we have this metal. Make sure it enters perfectly. So if you check, this is the indicator. It has indicator here. So if you check the indicator, you see that the indicator is not working.
Yes.
The indicator should be working. Yes, it's working. The indicator is working. So then after that, you pack your cable very well. Pack it inside a box. You're going to do that gently, always. Then there's something we call the screw. So there's something we call the screw. So this is the screw, as you can see it. This is the screw. So you cut it. So see it. This is the screw. This is the screw. So use a screw to tie it to the box gently. So tie it gently. So once it has entered firmly, then it has a cover. So this is a screw cover. These are the covers. So just use this to cover here. Cover here. It's not working perfectly. So let's try and plug something there just to test it. You on it first. I mean, you off it rather. Then you fix. So you now on it back. This is what we are trying to test. See that it's working. You see the indicator now. So it's working perfectly now. So we are done.